All right, we just took a look at the molds. We've looked at all the parts getting built. Now we're into the assembly shop, and within the assembly, we're in prefab, right?
Yep.
Nick, what do you do here?
So I'm the supervisor of the prefab shop. Just a quick overview of prefab. This is where we, hence the name prefab, we prefabricate all the tops, tackle centers, leaning posts. We install T-top frames, windshield glass, consoles. We do a lot of electronic stuff. So once the guy's on the line, once they set the large parts in the boat, everything is done over here. So when we finish our product, it is a T-top with glass in it that's already bolted to the console, and it's an entire unit that lifts up on the boat, pretty much wired, and those guys have to make all the connections and go from there.
So Nick, I see these hoses and wiring and stuff. All this is all done ahead of time, right?
Yeah, exactly. So if you look over here, this right here is what we get from the lamb shop. It's already been detailed, shined up. Holes are cut out for the most part, and we put it all together, and this is a finished product of a 35.
Back on that wiring piece, I see a tab. Does that chase the wires?
Well, that's a pull string that we add in. We already run all the wires that we ship the boat with, all the instruments on the top, your radar, everything from your fuse block. But if the customer down the road wanted to add, you know, say a light bar, say a FLIR camera or something of that nature, then they would be able to just pull that pull string through with the wire and wouldn't have to fight it.
Wow, so that saves a lot of time down the road.
Yep.
Okay. Would you mind showing me this 35 tackle center and what y'all done on this?
Yeah. So like I said, when it comes from the lamb shop, it already has all of our holes cut out. So we lay up and put the footrests on. We pre-wire our switches. This is actually an actuated helm seat. So we go ahead and get that thing wired up, get all the upholstery on. We step to the back a little bit. Bruce is in here right now working, but we go ahead and put rod holders in, handrails. We have our wash down shower. We try to do everything that can be done on the floor over here. So when these guys put this thing on the boat, it's going to be nothing but slapping in a few cabinets, hooking up your wiring, and on the pump room of the 35, you know, you have your gyro down there and all that extra wiring. So a lot of this stuff's a lot easier over here.
It's a whole lot easier to do it here on the ground than it is to do it up on the boat.
Exactly. So that's what we strive for over here, is get everything done that we can, you know, on a cart, isolated, so those guys don't have to mess with it and that boat can roll down the line.
Okay, thank you, Nick.
Yep.